Okay, guys, welcome back. I have another mall haul. I went shopping again for clothes. I haven't exhausted my budget yet, so if it seems a little extreme that I was just shopping all the time, those shoes were so expensive that I was supposed to get my grandma here that hubby was going to buy me for my anniversary. They were so pricey that I'm not even half into my budget. Okay, so I decided to show you and share with you why I want more for my buck. I want to get the most I can, and I think I'm doing that. Okay, without further ado, let's get into it. Went back to my same old, it's an outdoor mall in Westbury. What is that? On Old Country Road here in Long Island. It's right after the Roosevelt Field Mall, where Old Navy, Banana, and Gap, and Bloomingdale's are all in this one outdoor mall. So that's like my little haunt. That's where I go to shop because I love the deals, and it's that time of year where I get a lot of sales. Okay, let's start with the Gap bag. Okay, everything's here intact as you see it. My receipts included. I have to make sure I don't lose them. Okay, first thing, let me get this out of the way because it's big. And you're going to say, what are you doing with another denim jacket, Jeanine? Well, let me tell you something. Excuse me, guys. Really, excuse me. You see the one I tried on for you? And this one? This is a medium. Looks kind of small. It's a little snug, and it's new. It's new. This one, excuse me, guys. This one is a large, and I'm much happier with the way it fits me. Try not to knock my mic off my shirt. But let me show you. I feel way more comfortable. And my logic is this, guys. It was 50% off. This is a $79 jacket, or how much was it? Let's see. Let's get real here. I know it was half price, and I paid $35 for it. I don't have one in Florida. See how much nicer this fits me? I feel so much more comfortable in this. It's not choking me here. I'm a little overweight right now for my size, for my frame. So I thought I like this. I got it. I'll never get it on 50% sale in Florida. And I believe I'm going to take this one back to Florida with me, or the motivation of the smaller one. We'll see how that goes. But that's why I bought it. It was 50% off. Here you go, $70. I paid $35. I'm not paying $70. And this is a lifetime jacket. Totally worth it for me for $35. So I'm happy. You'll see me style that 1,000 ways. You know already that's a classic. A classic keeper. Another one, classic. I don't have, let me start to get some hangers out here to show you better. A little bit more appropriate. I know I don't have the right props. I appreciate that you guys indulge me and stick with me. I hope you do. I hope you enjoy the videos and content. Okay, here it is. White linen button down, classic as it gets, beautiful. This was on the clearance rack. I could wear this 100 places. I actually was in Brussels from Belgium. When we went, anyways, we went to Paris, and there was a bullet train. So you go over, and you could be in Belgium in 2 hours. So we went. I didn't have a lot of clothes. I didn't have anything fancy. We were eating out lunches all around, and we went to this one place, and I said, let me just throw on a white, crisp shirt. And I think I had a tank under it. I don't know if I had the dual shirt. I look back at the pictures and I say, you look fine. I looked fine. So now I worry about gathering those particular pieces. This can be worn all over vacation, dress up at lunches anywhere in the world. Anywhere. And this was $34.99. I paid $17. It's linen. Heavy linen. Nice quality. Nice quality. Okay. So that was $17. Keeper. Okay, let me go through these because they're my favorites. I love how I live in a shirt, but these are little crops, like for the younger girls. This is why I say there's no age limit for me. I'll wear anything and everything. I don't care. I modify things like I do whatever, my food, my clothes, my spice, whatever. These are those cropped ones, okay? But now this is in a large, and it's really adorable. I sleep in I'll do a segment. I'm in need of some pajamas. But anyways, I sleep in trunks, little bottoms. That's going to be a great pajama. Whatever. Exercise pajama. Whatever I want. Walking in Florida. You guys seen me. You've been with me. And this is Gap 1969 Athletics. And this one is a medium. So I got the 2 sizes in case I lose a little weight, in case I go a little further. Gotta have options. I say this to everybody on my cooking channel. I like options. So these were the grand price of 50% off of $11, $6.50. You're not getting t-shirts anywhere now for $6.50 of the quality of Gap. Gap is good stuff. You know, this will wash and wear. I'll show you. I'll prove it to you. I'll keep wearing it and washing it and show you it lasts. So I grabbed those. Now I got a few other goodies. I'll save that one for last. This I did pay, I believe, full price, or it was 30%. Let me look at the tag. Okay, now I did not pay full price. There's no way I'm paying $60 for a sweater. But this is a gorgeous beige cable knit sweater. It's lightweight in comparison to others that I've had in the past. Okay, it's really classic color again. I don't go crazy. And I got that. And that was, I believe, I think I paid 30-something dollars. It was $60, and I think I paid 40%. I think I maybe got it for $35, but because of the quality, because of the color, because I need it, because it'll go in the closet and I'll wear it over and over and over with the right pants and accessories and dress it up. So that's a keeper too. Love that. Okay. Now, you guys, I don't know if you know this about me, but I don't have any color. I said, let me get a pop of color. Now's the time to do it because things are on clearance that I bought. I went for the sales and I saw this, and it's my size. It's a medium from Gap. I know it screams like, wait, here comes Frog Girl. I don't know, but you know what? With a pair of white linen pants and the right necklace in gold and a shoe, a sandal, a flip-flop, whatever I have, this is coming home to Florida. I will wear this in Florida. Lime green. I would wear it in New York, but I'm just saying, because I got it now at the end of the year on clearance, this is a keeper and it's going home. And what did I pay for this? This was 60% off of $30. You do the math. I'm horrible at it. 60% off. So it was less than 15, it was probably 10 bucks, $10, $11. And again, like I said, guys, the quality's still there. Just because they reduced their clothing doesn't mean that quality, they didn't take threads out, you know? Think like that. It's very important because you want your best for less. I'm loving this. I really am loving it. So I got that for a pop of color. Getting out of my comfort zone. Again, out of my comfort zone. I shop for both seasons, for both homes, whether I'm in New York or here. I will make a bag and take some choices. This is adorable. Okay. Let me put it on a hanger. This is linen. Okay. This is linen. This was very inexpensive. Let me see. Yeah, this was 60% off of $28. So it was $14, probably in $10, $11 range again. And it's a pull string. And this is elastic. No, it's not elastic, but it's pull string. Again, it's linen. It's red for a pop of color. Beautiful choker. White linen shorts, pants, leggings, jeans, whatever you like. 4 bottom options. And the accessories are endless. And it was $11, but it's the quality of a $30 blouse. That will last you. Let me just put this into a bow. Show you how sweet it is. Now that's sweet. Picture that with a nice necklace. Okay, now here is again beautiful. I'm going to let you in on a secret. It's not a big secret because I think everybody does it nowadays, or if they don't, they should. Okay. Here is a beautiful black knit. Let me come close and show you the weave. Okay. I bought this. This was 50% off. 50% off of 30. It was $15. Okay. It's very well made. See the rib on the bottom and the buttons all buttoned down. I can wear this open with a nice chain and a tank. I can wear it closed, whatever I want. But here's the secret. This is a man's. This is a man's extra small. I fit a man's extra small with room. Okay, it's not tapered. And the bottom half is a different weave of see-through. See-through in itself to me is feminine. Okay, I call this the bisexual shirt. I'm sorry. This piece of clothing, this garment can go for either gender to me. I'm going to wear it and I'll show you, and I think you'll be happy when you see how I wear it. And I could wear it masculine. I mean, I wear ties. I'm going to be single-handedly bringing the tie back. I love it. And it's made well. I can't wait. And the sleeves are solid. It's just gorgeous. I was looking for Vinny for his size. They didn't have it. So when I saw this extra small, I said, wait a minute. Let me have that. And I might wear it buttons up with feminine flowy linen crop pants. We'll see. We'll see. I will make it work. I've done this my whole life. I've been wearing men's jeans forever. Let me get my empty bags out of the way. I do that. I stopped because after a while, the inseam on men's jeans is just too low. When I was younger, you know, you get that slouch look. It was fun. It's not fun now to have my crotch 4 inches too low. Okay. Old Navy. Banana. I didn't go to Banana today. I let them go. I skipped Banana. I didn't have it in the budget. Okay. I did do good at Old Navy. Old Navy I had a coupon. $60 off $150. So what I do when I have that, I spend my $150 in the clearance section, rack up, and then I get everything for $90. I could have got like $300 worth of clothing on clearance for 90 bucks. Okay, that's how I do it. And I've always been doing it that way. I don't know how to shop any other way. It probably would kill me to go into a store and buy one item. I'll show you my most expensive today. And it was back and forth dilemma, overthinking. And I said, you know what? Life's too short. You need them. You want them. Get them. But this is a beautiful gray cable knit. I was wearing an old one the other day. I had my old one on. And I just realized it's like, you know, gray is so rich looking and so classic. Dove gray specifically. And I loved it. And it's soft, and I tried it on. This is the type of button down you could wear as a shirt with nothing under it. Pull over your neck and head and whatever, and just wear it as is with jeans and not have that, you know, itchy feeling, or, you know, this is a cotton blend. It has to be, but it's still, it's wonderful. It's wonderful. And this I did pay more for. This wasn't, this was full price, but gathered into my discount. Okay, love that. And I'm going to show you guys all of this modeled around a little bit. I'll do a couple of segments because I can't do this all in one night. There's too many beautiful things here. Beautiful chocolate brown. Again, the type of sweater. I tried this on in the fitting room. This is a warm hug. You just want to throw this over your head, put your hair up, get your best boots on, and just go. Whether you're going to a movie, whether you're going to dinner, whether you go wherever. This is that cozy sweater you dream of. Or at least I do, because I found her. And I love it so much. I got it in the chocolate brown, and you'll see why soon in a sec. And I got it in a beautiful, again, stepping out of my comfort black zone. I gotta get some color in my life in so many ways. It's not funny. I got this beautiful canary yellow. And look at the yellow, how much brighter my skin looks, my face. It brings out the pink in your cheeks. I need some color in my life. So that was another one. Okay, these were great. And again, they were regular price. They weren't marked on, I don't believe, but I got them within that coupon, $60 off. So I got to get these out of the way. So get them off as soon as you come home. These are horrible. Okay, now the jeans. I went back because I wanted to use the coupon. I wanted to shop it up, and I did. I got the boot cut in the second rinse, like the first. So now I have the medium dark. I have the faded. And I found what I've been searching for forever. My black jeans that fit me as good as these. I have no black jeans. You saw the ones I modeled for you guys that I said in the video, dressing up black jeans. And I confess to you, they were tight, a little bit tight. I'm not my best weight, and I'm gaining here because I had pasta for lunch. I mean, really, I have the best diet in the world. Best diet in the world. I drink wine, I eat pasta, and I tell people I'm dieting. I'm dieting. Okay, let me get this underneath here somewhere, somehow, if it'll fit. Okay, see? I got to get some props here. There you go. Okay. I found them. I found them. Black boot cut, stretchability. I cannot wait to wear these. I'm so excited about these black jeans. I think I'm going to take them to Florida. They'll come back here next winter, but I like to wear black and white all the time. And it gets cold in February. February is soup weather in Florida, I call it. We laugh, me and Vinny. I said, oh, that's soup time here, February. So it gets a little cool outside. Some of the restaurants, you know, are colder than others, and you need a little bit of a sweater or a jacket. They call it, what is the thing in Florida? Sweater weather. Sweater weather. So these will be perfect for sweater weather. And I just love them because I know how well the other ones fit. So I got them in every rinse now. I got the dark denim, the light, and the black. I'm done. I have my boot cut. Now, I have to take my socks off because I'm sliding on my own carpet. I'm not going to try them on. But I did go to Bloomingdale's. I don't know if it's an outlet there, what it is, but I saw these and I said, you know what? Mark Fisher, love his shoes. Been watching him for a while. Okay. I splurged today. Today was the splurge of my life. Let me show the ones that made my decision first and foremost. Okay. These are gorgeous. Okay. These are that pointy toe, low kitty cat heel, zipper up boot that I've wanted for some time. So could you see those beautiful wash denim with the chocolate brown sweater, a gorgeous gold choker, and these boots? Mom is a happy girl. And I'll show you that put together. Love, love, love these. They were $99, which is cheap for Mark Fisher. It's just cheap, and they're made so well. They're a size smaller in my feet. I'm normally an 8. These are a 7.5, and super comfy on me. 7.5, and I like that because it makes your feet look smaller. Okay, so I got the brown, and then I said, you know what? If you're gonna go in, go all in. Go all in. And I saw them, and they were the last pair standing in the camel beige. Okay, so your girl said, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's just get them. There they are. They're gorgeous. They both have stickers on the bottom. They have a nice rubber sole. That's good for like, they won't hurt me walking. And that's about the extent of the heel I can handle now. So this is a really sharp boot, I think. It's really classy, classical, and really just hot. Look at this blue jeans and the yellow sweater and these, and just a nice necklace. You're good to go. I love it. So that was it. I got these. They were both $99 each. And like I said, I'm still within my budget from the one pair of shoes hubby was willing to buy me. I'm still shopping, and look at all the bounty I got. That's what it's about for me, guys. That's what I'm trying to say. Shop your best for less. Get as much as you can, bang for your buck. Okay? Till I get time to try these on in different spots. We'll get a few videos out of it because I cannot do it. I get tired now. I can only try on so many, and you can only watch so many before you get tired of seeing. And I think small bites are better than big bites. Okay, so I'm going to put these all in the closet. I'm going to think up, because I do it in my mind. I envision, okay, well, I'll do those jeans with that shirt and what necklace. I literally lay in bed at night thinking of that stuff because I'm a weirdo. All right, until the next video, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for spending time with me. Thank you for subscribing, and please continue to do so because it helps the channel grow. It's free to you, and it helps me get more viewers to see me so that I keep making videos. Otherwise, what's the point? I'll just go away. Thanks a lot. I'll see you in the next video.